Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a super quick DIY. I had posted it on Instagram and Facebook and a few people were asking how it was made. It was super easy. I did not video it when I was doing it because I wasn't sure if it was going to work. So I'm going to do a quick recreation of it and show you how this is done. Super easy. If this is something you're interested in, continue watching. If you like it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Let's get into it. The supplies I used: a Dollar Tree piece of foam board, some wrapping paper, burlap ribbon from the Dollar Tree. These are clothes hangers. I'm not sure if I got these from the Dollar Tree or from Target, but regardless, they're super inexpensive and you can actually make them yourself. They're just little clothespins with felt snowflakes glued on them. So technically you can do that yourself, and then it's just put on to a piece of twine. And then this I cut out using my silhouette. You can use paper letters, you can use regular stickers, anything you want. Scissors, tape, and a hot glue gun. So basically what you want to do is take your foam board, flip this over, and wrap your piece of board. I'm not gonna redo it because I really don't need two of them. I'm just doing this for the sole purpose of showing you. That. And then for the corners, what I did, I just folded it in this way. Actually, I can't even see that. Fold it in and over. And then you get a nice corner seam. So you're going to tape all that, and then once this is all taped, you just flip it over, hook up your hot glue gun, and then you take your, you can use any kind of ribbon for this. I just did the red because that was my color theme. And you're going to hot glue to the back of here. Do a little bit of hot glue right in the center. Hot glue on the edge, and then do the same thing for the bottom. What I did was I just took my stickers and then I centered it onto the board. So you figure out where your center is, and then you figure out where you want your letters. I did add an extra bow into the center just because that's what I liked. Snowflakes, you can add anything you want. And then you just take these guys. And then what I did was I just pulled it around the back, taped this to the back and knotted it. And then I added another piece of burlap ribbon to the bottom, and that was it. Super easy. I could make another one in literally like 2 seconds, but I don't want to waste wrapping paper, and I really don't need another one. So I will give you a close up. So here we just did a little bit of glue right here, a little bit of glue in the center, a little bit of glue on the edge. And then these you can still move. So depending on how many cards you get. And since it is lightweight, I was able to just hang it up with a thumbtack. Hello, Jessica. Alrighty, you guys, I actually ended up having to go into work. So this is why I look like this. But I never actually ended the video because my daughter came, and that has been pretty much the last 2 weeks. It's just been anytime I try to video or do something else happens. Life gets in the way. But I did want to say the good thing about this is that since it's not permanent, you can change the wrapping paper each year to match your theme. And then you just untape the little holders and redo the ribbons. So that is it. If you guys liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks guys, have a great night.